Let me just show you what I want you to do. Okay, you've already seen this video. Okay, so watch that thing through and that'll explain sort of the general idea of exactly what we're doing, okay, in class. And then here, let me just show you where to do it, okay? On the physics website, so go here, okay? You're going to go right here, see where it says IB Physics? That's going to take you to it's actually a Google Sites, right? And then this is the chapter that we're starting next time. So before next time, you actually need to go and look at these videos, take notes, because what we're going to do in class is actually what we normally would have done as homework, right? So if you go here, you click on that, right? And this should be a link to this video that we're talking here, okay? Here is the syllabus. Okay, so this is, you should view videos A through F, and then we're going to work on those. So before next time, before January 10th, you want to look at A through F, and by that I mean the objectives A through F, right? And then before this next time, you're going to view the videos for G and videos for H through J, okay? So these are things you're going to watch before the class. This is what we're going to do in that class, okay? Now, if we go back to here and scroll down, this is blah, blah, blah about energy. I'm introducing energy, and this thing's kind of lame right now, but I hope to update it. And then if you click on one of these, okay, you'll see it takes you to a...
this is how to calculate work.
Right.
Define
so
work
blah,
as a
blah, blah,
transfer of
teacher
energy.
does this, right?
In just a sec here. But the formula for it is that it's basically a force times a distance.
There it is, right? And it's like blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah.
There's two components
right.
here. One
and I
parallel
explain
to
all
the
the sort of
direction that-
teacherly stuff that I normally explain when I teach this stuff, right? Then go back, and then these are the whiteboard problems. Now you know better than I know whether you learn from doing whiteboard problems, but here's what I recommend you do. Go in there and do the first one, right?
Okay, here I am with my...
Hit pause, right there, there's the answer. It's 140 joules, right? There's the stuff, you've got the formula, I've shown you how to do it. I'll bet you can bust this out in your calculator, and if you get 140, then just move on. You don't need to have me show you how to get it. And if you don't get 140 as the answer, well then, you know, just hit play and I explain the blah, 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 right? Okay. And then go back and, you know, do as many of those as you need to do. You might need to not need to do any of them. Maybe you need to do one or two. I would try at least one, right? And when I say on the syllabus, I say do A through F. Well, there's A, there's B, there's C and D and E and F. And I think all of those minutes there add up to about 27 minutes or something like that. I just guessed, okay? I think if you do every single example and hit play and let it play all the way through, maybe it's like 40, 45 minutes, okay? But that's what I want you to do. You're going to come to class, and then in class what we're going to do is we're going to work. I'm going to put you guys in cooperative groups. We're going to work on these problems, and the goal is going to be to get yourself so that when you get to these tests, you can do these tests. I'm not going to collect your homework. I don't really care if you don't need to do any homework problems or if you need to do all of them, right? The important thing is that at the end of the day, you can show me that you all by yourself can solve a conservation of energy problem, orbit problems, vertical circle problems, and I'll have examples by the time we get to February 7th and 8th and 9th, right? I'm going to have examples of this so you'll be able to know whether you're on track. In class, I'm just going to help you learn it, and other people are going to help you learn it. Hope that helps.